Why is your energy like mine?
Oh? You really need to ask. Don't tell me the Prince of Saiyans has a bad memory.
Wait. I recognize you now. You're a Tuffle, aren't you?
I must say, it's quite odd using your body to fight you, though not entirely unpleasant. The universe doesn't need competitors, so I'll get rid of you!
And they're off! Okay, Vegeta, have at it!
What?
Who the hell are you? Get in my way and I'll destroy you!
I believe it! Quick cue, though. Why are you helping my uncle out, baby?
It's strictly for business purposes. An exchange of technology. Both my parasitic power and the demon will be stronger through this.
Parasitic powers, huh? Uncle must be looking to control someone. In that case, I could teach him about demon realm power, but all of this could interfere with my research. The only thing we'll be exchanging is punches. Time to fight.
Looked like you were struggling. Can't a Neo Machine mutant do any better than that?
Don't be dense. I expected this whenever I made it. Enough of these distractions. Grants me the power of the demon realm.
I was hoping to avoid wasting any energy, but so be it. Taste my power and see if you can handle it.
Wow, my uncle's pretty crafty. He might kind of be in trouble now. Looks like we need a hero, right? Done.
Go back!
Ow! What in the world's going on?
Sorry. I kind of plucked you out of the spaceship you were using to find the Dragon Balls.
Whoa! You have the power to do that?
Enough talk. Lend us a hand, Kakarot.
Right. That's the bad guy, huh? All right, let's take him down.
The odds of you winning are still impossible, filthy Saiyans.
Disappeared from the spaceship without so much as saying goodbye. I bet Pan, Trunks, and Beeroo are wondering what's going on.
I'm certain they can handle themselves just fine. Besides, you'll find out when they get back to Earth. You need to focus on the fight right in front of you.
Yeah, I guess you're right. Okay, let's get rid of these guys, Vegeta.
These wretched Saiyans.
That great ape form sure is a handful. Ah, I know. Let's try this. Here you go, Goku. You should be able to power up without going full supervillain.
How dare you! You mock a couple! You're mine now, Goku! I'll grind you into a smooth paste.
Well, this won't do. What's my next move? Wait, I can use the crystal to power someone up. But who to pick? Talk about a tough choice. Who do you think should get the boost? We could... He's lost his mind.
Great ape?
Yikes! If Goku turns into a great ape, we're definitely not going to be able to keep him in check.
Well, that's interesting.
Whoa! Hold up! What are you doing? If you give him some of your energy, he could end up...
Relax. We're both Saiyans. It's in our blood to push ourselves. Come on, Kakarot. You really plan on dying here? It's not the person I know you to be. You are Kakarot, the Saiyan raised on Earth. Now open your damn eyes! It's about time. This power's incredible.
Thanks, Vegeta. You helped me sort things out.
You're a real pain in my ass. Let's finish this.
Right. You're dealing with me now, baby.
Interesting. That form allows me to draw out even more great ape power. And if he can do it, that means I can too. I swear I will surpass you, Kakarot. Exterminate all of you! This is the end for you, Goku! Say goodbye to this world!
You don't have what it takes to beat me. Not this time. Give it up already, baby. You can't win this fight. I'm going to destroy you. This is it!
Dragon Fist Explosion!